Hey guys, if you're experiencing a rusty sink that keeps getting rusty again after just a day or two later, it most likely means that the rust is coming from the pipes below and it's time for a replacement, where you aren't able to reach it on the surface even if you use the tiniest bristles from a toothbrush. So today I'm going to show you how to replace the bottom portion of your sink in just a few easy steps without breaking your back and the bank. But first, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so it'll motivate me to make more videos like this. Thanks. Okay, so this is an easy DIY project that you can do on your own under an hour or less. First, make sure your water is turned off. Then take out the middle sink stopper if you haven't already. There's a bracket and latch underneath the sink that you will need to unhook to release it. Then go underneath the sink and unscrew the top middle pipe with lefty-loosey. It should be fairly simple, but if it's stubborn for you, feel free to use a wrench, but make sure not to break off the plastic like we did. Then use Tupperware that can fit underneath and catch the dirty water from the third pipe. Your pipes may have accumulated a lot of gunk, so feel free to clean it out unless you have a new pipe in hand. I just used a steel scrubber to work my way in there. Make sure to clean the surface well to prevent any unwanted growth on top and underneath the sink. Next, we replaced it with a clog-free pop-up drain package, which I have added the link in the description box for you if you want to get what we got instead of buying individual parts. It has pretty clear directions on the back of the box, and it's basically putting everything back in the same way you took it out. Don't forget to insert the ball rod in place, and there you go. It's a simple fix that will save you money, and you won't need to pay for a plumber. Let me know how your experiences turn out. If you like more of these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for your support.